Good morning, everyone. It's bright and early today. I don't know what the time is. Let's have a quick look on this Deye to see what the time is, shall we? That's there you go. There's the time and the date. It's 7:40 in the morning, and it's Sunday today. Well, marvellous. All right, I got the electrician coming on Thursday of this week. In the meantime, Ziggy and I have been really busy working in this cabinet, as you can see. Those of you that can pay attention know that is a huge change, a huge difference, and it looks pretty nice. We've still got to sort the wiring out. We'll do that today. We got to tie up. We got to tie up the wires. The chassis ground needs to be tied up. We've put a huge air vent in that side. You'll notice something missing off that wall. But we have been hard at work. Hard at work. I'm also going to attach the batteries list that are already programmed into the Deye inverters for one of my subscribers who left a message on my last video asking if his batteries would work, and I actually have no idea. Look, I don't sell anything on this channel. I just install and test gear, and well, that's not just, because every time I do that I have an electrician has to come out as well, and it does cost me a lot of money to run this channel, and I will be 100% honest with you. I do not make that money back in video footage on YouTube. It has become absolutely terrible. The return income from my videos. So it's all about watch length now. So I would ask you to help by just watching the full video and not just browsing through it, because time viewed now is more important than thumbs up or thumbs down. You know, I still like you to thumb the video up if you like it, or thumb it down if you don't. But and comment. I love the comments. I love answering comments. Some of them are a bit cheeky, and I have to remove them. But we've all got our trolls. But on the remainder, most of the comments are really good, because you know I do everything because I'm on YouTube. Well, not because I'm on YouTube. I would do it even if I wasn't on YouTube. I'm a firm believer of doing things right. Okay, and if I'm required to have an electrician to do certain sections of the wiring, then I get a Sparky in. Those of you that have watched me for a long time all know that. And there's an aeroplane. But anyway, I think it's coming along really nice. There won't be too many more updates on this room until I got a little surprise coming. And once we get that new surprise here, then we'll do some more videos. But I just wanted to show you where we're up to. Oh goodness, my brain hasn't woken up yet. We just got out of bed not long ago. But yeah, look, she's looking really good. I really like the way it's looking. Don't fall over, Chris. I'll be getting to work in there a bit later on today, once I wake up and have me first and probably second coffee for the morning. What are our morning batteries at, by the way? 78%. And I've already just started to put power in. There's some power come into the sunshine. Well, that's good. Yeah, we're not, there's not much power in the sunshine yet, but we are slowly, the voltages are there. They're going to creep up. That's good. Alright, that's my update for you. Now, like I said, there's some battery lists going to the end of the video. Look, I hope yous are all well, okay? And keep safe. And we'll catch us in the next video. Bye bye for now. Hello, Budgie. How you going, mate? Yeah, you're looking good. Yeah, you are.